Lortie Aviation owns and operates a fleet of Hawker Hunter fighter jets. Our customer has a contract with the U.S. Navy for training the Navy's pilots and radar operators on board their ships.
Well, through the time we worked with Creaform Engineering over a couple projects. The assessment of injuries for the ejection seat was a big one.
Numerical simulation can be very useful in different applications, like this project at Lortie Aviation. Our objective here was to establish the risk of injuries during pilot ejection and propose design correction to reduce their occurrence and severity. To conduct proper simulations, we started by reverse engineering the pilot seat. Using 3D scanning and material testing, we built a finite element model of the seat. Then, instrumented numerical dummies and realistic human-like models allowed us to establish the risk of injuries. Our conclusion led us to modify the seat base to include different viscoelastic foams and a new crushable part to absorb energy during ejection. Ejection from a military airplane is a critical, intense moment that requires complex and expensive testing. Numerical simulation enables us to efficiently address this complexity and perform a lot of iteration at a low cost.
The main value Creaform Engineering brought to Lortie Aviation was the longevity of our business. To keep such an old airplane flying through the time, we have to be really creative, and Creaform was a big help for that.